Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to change your current tiles to a new tiles by using AI replace. So let's say we have one template. Okay, I just select from what we have in the library. So let's say I click to this one. Okay, so the current tile is like this. So what if I want to change to a new style? So let's say I change to continuous. Okay, so this one you can choose any product image. You can upload your texture of your tiling if you want to upload. But this year I'm just going to use for what we have under the software. Okay, let's say I'm using this one. Okay, this is the texture and this is the um, tiling position. So when I click to generate, okay, it will work on it. So you need to wait for a few minutes. This one is depending on your internet connection. So you can see here we have the original image, and then this one is the processing image with the new tiling which we have set for the texture. Okay, so now you can see my tiles have replaced from the initial. Okay, this one is the this location uh, arrangement, and this one is the new one which is continuous arrangement with texture of like this one. Alright, so that is how you use replace style under AI replace. Alright, so that's all from me. Thank you.